And let me warn you, what you are about to see is extremely messy. And, if you came here for a video showing an already nice place that gets cleaned to be even cleaner, that's not this video. Hello. So today I am trying to organize both of my bathroom closets and my pantry. I used to have my pantry set up in a really awesome way, and over time it kind of dissolved, and I really miss having that awesome organization. So my kids are playing outside right now, so I'm gonna try to get as much done as I can while they're doing that and have some uninterrupted organization time. And I thought I would take you guys along and show you what I'm doing, and hopefully it will inspire you to get something organized too. So I bought these baskets from the Dollar Tree, and I'm planning on labeling them with Post-it notes and tape, really simple. I do have a Brother label maker, but I am out of tape, and I'm not gonna let that stop me from getting things organized. So let me show you a before. And let me warn you, what you are about to see is extremely messy. And, if you came here for a video showing an already nice place that gets cleaned to be even cleaner, that's not this video. This video is going to show you the total disorganization and mess. So here we go. All right. Here we go. So our house was built in the 50s. So our closet is super thin, but it goes really far back. So everything just gets shoved to the back of the closet. But see how it's just a whole bunch of random stuff. Even on the floor, like there's glow sticks. What is happening in here? So my plan is to take items that are alike and put them in baskets, like hair stuff in one basket, toothbrush things in another basket, and all of that. Okay, I have my baskets, they're all labeled. Now I just need to put things into the baskets. I just also want to remind you guys that I have 6 kids and I homeschool, so if I need a system to work, it needs to be super simple, and labels help with that, because when people have something and they need to put it away, they know where it goes, and I don't have to stay on top of it all. shelf, and when I'm done and the shelf is empty, I like to take some thieves cleaner and spray it down and wipe it out. And I also have a trash can next to me so that anytime I come along anything that is trash or anything that I'm not using anymore, I just ditch it so I don't have to think about it ever again.
It's romanticized, idealized. Nothing has been more cruel, but your playful heart has got me in trouble now. But it's a bind I wanna be in. I knew from the start I would get in over my head. Your playful heart is not to be played with. It's all that they say, and then some more, falling head over heels. But take my advice, it comes with a price, to have a blind marriage in the wheel. My playful heart has got me in trouble now, but it's a fix I wanna be in. I knew from the start I would get in over my head. My playful heart is not to be played with. No, your playful heart has got me in trouble now, but it's a bind I wanna be in. I knew from the start I would get in over my head.
Okay, so I'm all done, and this is gonna look kind of crazy because all I'm keeping in this cabinet, and sorry about the paint and all that, but this is a really old cabinet, and even though I've cleaned it, it still looks dirty, but that's just paint and things like that. Anyway, the only thing I'm gonna keep in this bathroom, this is my kids' bathroom, as you can tell by the coloring on the wall. All I'm keeping in this bathroom is their toothpaste, and I'm keeping their flossers, and I'm keeping their toothbrushes, which I put in bags. And usually I put their names, but all their toothbrushes look different, so they all know whose is whose. But the less my kids have in their bathroom, the less that they have to take care of, and the cleaner things stay. So that's it. That's all I'm keeping in here, and the rest of the stuff I'm gonna keep in my bathroom. So that's it. On to the next bathroom. All right, on to bathroom number 2. So this is my husband's and my bathroom. But of course, with 8 people in the house, it does get used by children, as you can see by the nail polish there. And this little guy, this is not mine or my husband's, believe it or not. This is our son's. So this is gonna be a fun one. See, it goes way deep in the back. It's super thin. So I'm gonna have to reach way back there again to get everything out. And like I said before, my plan is to put everything, yeah, see that toothbrush? That's gonna be garbage now. My plan is to put all of the stuff from the other bathroom into here so this doesn't keep happening with everything, because people won't be digging in and trying to find things.
become me, and I've become you in this story. It's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest. The final hour before we let it go to rest. And in our story, in the story, if you make no promise, there's no regret. It's over by the time you finish your cigarette. We're so into blue skies, but we don't hear the thunder. We're dreaming about the past, but going under. We're going under.
After emptying out the second closet, this is all that I've ended up with, and I've organized everything into the labeled bins. So this is mostly hair stuff. Here we've got razors and sunscreen, and this is like first aid stuff, cough drops, and rubbing alcohol, band-aids, etc. This is a hair bin that we're going to use daily when getting ready for the day. So it's got the mirror, and it's got little baggies in there of each different type of hair accessory we might need. And a brush. We also have a wet brush, and as soon as I find that, that'll be in there. A little bit of hair things here. One of my daughters has super curly hair, and that's really helpful for her. But yeah, so now I'm going to put everything into the closet in the bathroom there, and I'll show you what it looks like when that is finished. There we go. And at some point, I'll probably paint these shelves so they don't look so bad, but it goes back pretty far, and back there are the extra products that we don't really use often, so they're pushed in the back. And then extra razors, first aid. Up here is my husband's shelf. It's up very high so the little guys don't get into it. And then down here are all the hair products that I just showed you, and that's that. Now it's completely open, empty, clean. And it feels so good to have everything uncluttered and easy to get to. Hey, so different day. I was editing my video and I realized if I put the pantry part in with the bathroom closet organization, it's going to be a super long video. So I'm actually splitting them up into 2 videos. And I'm going to edit the pantry organization, which is epic and amazing, and you need to watch it. I'm going to put that into the next video. Also, sorry about my hair in the, this is Phoenix. In the last video, every time I was turning around, I have this like crazy part going all the way down my head. I didn't do a very good job of making sure it was brushed the right way, so it looks kind of like I have a bald spot. I don't. I have actually really, really thick hair, but short hair. That's the way it goes. Yes, right? You have long hair. Yeah, this is my boy. We have 5 girls and a boy. So anyway,
and
sorry.
we have dad too.
And we have a dad too.
Boy dad.
A boy dad, yeah. So anyway, enjoy that. Watch out for the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.